Morning, y'all. Back out on the water. It is in between fronts. We just had storms. They let up. I'm able to get on the water for a couple hours before it's supposed to hit back again later in the afternoon. And so we're gonna get some fishing in. Today, target species, good old walleye. A lot of good structure down there. My buddy Bubba, you've seen in quite a few of my videos, was out here at this lake and almost caught his limit yesterday. So I'm hoping that these fish are still on the bite, even with the front. And we're gonna give it a shot. So here's what I got. I have a flicker minnow on my right rod. I have a flicker shad, both in natural colors. And we are gonna target some of these fish over here. Good old walleye. They're marking a lot of fish. Good sign. Up in the water column. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Come to me. There we got a fish on. There we got a fish on. That did not take long, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna reel this one in. Keep the pressure on this one. Come on, baby. This thing feels good. This thing feels good. What's going on here? It's not fighting. We got our walleye. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. First walleye. Not even 10 minutes on the water. Not even 10 minutes on the water. We are hooked up right over the score. I marked them. Oh, this is a big, beautiful fish. Look at that thing. That is a beautiful fish. Whew. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That is a good fish. I'm trying to bring this one in there real quick. Keep pressure on this guy. Right off the ledge. Right off the ledge, he smacked it. Good fish. They want that white. That white is what's working. Yo, Camp. This might be a bass. Haven't seen it yet, but I feel head shakes like it's a bass. Is it? I hope not. What are you? Oh, nope, another walleye. That's a nice one too. Yo, Camp. Camp. Hooked up. Nice fish. Oh, he crunched it. He wanted it. He wanted it. That's a good fish. Jesus Christ. There we go. There we go. Got another one. Walleye number 2, y'all. It's another nice one. Jesus, this thing's fat. What a little bruiser. What a little bruiser, you. Look at that, just like that, came right out. All right, 1 second. Look at this guy. Oh, look at this guy. Whew. Fatty. Yeah, oh, he's thick. This guy is eating good. You see the thickness on this? You guys see the thickness on that?
Oh, nice, bro.
Oh, baby. Thank you so much. Overcast days and these walleye are up in the water column. I love it. What would really be great is if we could break a PB here. Whether it's a PB for the lake or my personal best was 27 inches. There we go. There you go. He hit it right on. He hit it right on the speed dropped on it. Oops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a good one too. It's a nice one. Another nice one. Oh, come on, baby. Shit. Got my line tied up in the back. Oh, he wanted it. He wanted it. There we go. There she is. Nice 20-inch, beautiful walleye. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back. Keep a little something smaller. There we go. Got another one. Feels good. Real good. It feels. Camp. Camp. Trolling right along 17-foot break. Another beautiful walleye. Just T-boned it. Completely T-boned. Man, he ain't going. These fish want it. Where, baby? I got him dialed in, man. Yeah, it's another bit. These are, I'm catching really good ones, man.
Oh, damn, he's got a belly, dude.
Yeah, they all do.
Fish are feeding well out here, dude. At least the walleye are. Dude, everyone who's been catching, they've got good bellies on.
Yeah.
Hold on, Nick. I'm gonna take a picture with the.
Oh.
Take some pics.
Look at that bad boy.
Nice. Let me zoom in a little bit. Nice.
Beautiful fish.
Way to go, Mike.
Let me see what it is.
Yeah, dude. It's got the gold.
21.
21.
All right. Goodbye. Can't stress how important it is to have a fish finder. There we go, another one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one. Holy shit. This might be a giant. Camp. Bring this rod in. Right over a school. I mean, I've seen the school. So important to have good electronics. This thing is not coming up. This might be the biggest one yet.
Nice, bro.
Yeah. I haven't even seen it yet. This thing is pulling. This might be the biggest one. Oh, Jesus Christ. I hope it's not a catfish. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? What do I have hooked up? I don't know. This might be a catfish. Or it's a giant walleye. It's towing me around. Oh my God. I haven't even seen it yet. Oh my God. Bro, this, I don't know what this is, man, but it's big. Oh, I just saw a little bit of it. What is it? Oh my God, it's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant, bro. It's a giant. It's a giant walleye. Oh my God! Let's go! It's a giant! It's a giant! This is my new PB. Oh my God, look at this monster. This is a giant.
Oh, nice,
This is a new PB, let's go. Oh my God, I called it.
I see them
That's how you do it, baby.
Nice, Mike. Way to go.
Look at how you do it.
Got it.
You take a couple?
Got it. Got it, dude. I'm going to get a video of this. We got to get a video of the release.
Look at
Whenever
this.
you're ready, man.
Look at this fish. Look at this fish.
Gosh, dude.
It's a giant. Look how big it is. Look at that.
Way to go, brother.
Giant. My personal best. Let me get a length on it real quick.
Got it out, man.
Ouch. 27.
Nice.
27. All right, let's go into the release, y'all.
Way to go, brother.
Woo! Right over the same spot I caught the other one. Whoa, buddy. Hey, Cam, come here. Oh my God. Yeah. Another one's in the boat. It's another good. Yeah, they're all good size. All really good size. It's a nice little guy.
Yeah, bro.
It's not the the giant.
Yeah. It's not like his big brother, but good size, man.
It's a nice little size. We'll see.
You wanna measure him? Yeah. Check him out, man.
Just under 20.
Nice.
It's a nice little eater.
Yeah, it's your choice.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There you go, another one. That feels good. Definitely feels good. Not like the giant I caught, but still a good fish. All right, got that out. Trying to shake it. Still haven't seen him yet. Who's down there? Yeah, it's another nice one. Come on. He's got one hook in him, so I'm gonna try to take my time. Woo-hoo, spit it right as I get him in the net. All right. Nice little fish, huh? All right, bud, thank you. Oh, got one already? That was quick. That was quick. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was super quick. I just casted that one out. Or I just started dribbling that one. That feels good. Got another one, Cam. Come on, baby, where you at? Oh my God, it's another giant. Cam. Got another giant. I got another big one. Oh. Oh my God. Cam.
Yeah.
Got a giant. Oh. Holy shit. Oh my God. Another brute walleye. Another brute. Oh my God. I just threw that line out to start trolling. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. What is going on?
Another good one?
Oh, another great one.
Nice, bro.
Another great one.
Way to go, Mike. Take your time, homie. What you gotta do. Hey, you got him. Oh, nice, bro.
Look at that, baby.
A little closer.
You guys see this thing? Beautiful fish. Yo, I literally just casted it out and started like 5 pedal strokes and fish was on.
Damn.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh, brother. Oh, shit.
Oh my God. They're coming up high now. This is 24.
Nice, bro.
Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.